Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Gemini IPO. Gemini Space Station Incorporated, the parent company of the Gemini crypto exchange, successfully completed its initial public offering in September 2025. Its shares are now publicly traded on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol GEMI. The initial public offering priced at $28 per share, reflecting strong investor interest. To buy Gemini shares, you'll first need a brokerage account that provides access to U.S. stock markets. Once your account is funded, you can search for Gemini using its ticker symbol, GEMI, or the full company name. Then, simply place an order to purchase the number of shares you wish to own. Many online platforms offer this service. Before investing, it's wise to research Gemini's financial reports and future prospects. The cryptocurrency market can be quite volatile, so understanding these risks is important. Always align your investment decisions with your personal financial goals and your comfort level with potential market fluctuations. Diversification is often a good strategy. Gemini positions itself as a regulated and secure platform within the cryptocurrency ecosystem. It provides services for buying, selling, and storing digital assets, and aims to connect traditional financial services with the growing crypto economy. This makes it a significant player for both individual and institutional investors interested in the digital asset space.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.